started with just a test piece, just to show you how I start and close the rounds with the 2 double crocheted together motifs with a chain 1 in between. So this is the right side for me, so my next round will be on the wrong side. So I just closed this round and I'm going to show you how to start a new one. So first thing I have to do is to turn my work to the wrong side, and my yarn is going on the back like this. And so here's my my seam, and this is the first motif. So this is the first chain 1 space that I'm seeing. So in here I will be making, without making a turning chain, by the way. So don't make a turning chain. We are going to make a single crochet in this chain 1 space, and on top of that I will add a 1 chain like this. Now I'm going to double crochet, oh sorry, and this is the first part of my motif. So the second part is a chain 1, and then do 2 double crochets crocheted together like this. So this is now creating the first motif of my new round. So next motif is just continuing in this one in the chain 1 space. Right, 2 DCs crocheted together, a chain 1, and again 2 DCs crocheted together. So, and I'm going to continue that in every chain 1 space. So see you at the end. So I'm back at the end. So here is my last motif, in which I made another motif, so 2 double crochets together with a chain 1 in between. And now I'm going to close my round in my first double crochet. So as you can see here, this was the single crochet with a chain 1, and this is my first double crochet. So now I'm going to just insert in the top of my double crochet like this, and make a slip stitch, which I'm going to tighten like this. So really simple. And now we can continue with another round, going back to my right side, and this is the first chain 1 space. So again, single crochet with 1 chain, a double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochets crocheted together, which is the start of the third round in this case. So just continue like this, and then you will get a really nice result in which you don't see a seam. But of course you can also do a color change for the rows. So that's the second part that I will be showing you. But first I wanted to give you a quick show of the seam of my cardigan. So you can see it a little bit, that's here and here. It looks just a bit different than the other motifs, but you will get, as you can see here, yeah, hopefully like this, but you almost don't see a seam. Up to the second part. So I'm going to show you how to switch colors and how to close the rounds and how to start them. So this round is made on the wrong side. You can see that here as well, where I am changing colors. So because this is the wrong side, I'm going to close my round into my first double crochet, and that's this one over here. You can see it, this is the single crochet plus chain 1, and this is my first double crochet. So I'm going to bring my yarn towards me, to the wrong side of the work, and I'm going to insert not from front to back, like you would normally do, but from back to front. So now I'm going to take my yarn and pull it through, and also through the loop on my hook, and this I'm going to pull tight. Now I'm going to change color. So now I'm going to take my pink one, which will be the next row, and that will be on the right side, but I'm going to pick up my yarn first. So I'm going to pick it up and pull it through the loop on my hook. And now we are going to tighten the green loop. Now I'm going to make this pink one a bit smaller, like this. So make sure that there's enough stretch over here. So now I'm going to turn my work to the right side. And now you can see that there's a really nice closing of the round and a nice color change. So the round begins with a single crochet without making a turning chain. So we make a single crochet and a chain 1, a double crochet, chain 1, and then 2 double crochets together. So this is my first motif. See you at the end. So now I'm back at the start, and we are going to close this round. So as this one is on the right side, I'm just going to insert from front to back, pick up my pink yarn, pull through, pull tight, and I'm going to first switch this to the wrong side. I want to make sure that my pink yarn and green yarn are on the right places, so I'm going to take the pink all the way that it's on my right side and that the green one is on my left. So now we're going to change color again. So I'm going to pick up the green, pull it through the pink loop, and I'm going to pull the pink one tight. And I'm going to make my green loop a bit smaller. And now I can continue on the wrong side with single crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochets crocheted together, and this is then again my first motif of the next round. So this is how it should look on the wrong side, and this is how it will look on the right side. Well, you almost don't see a seam, right? So that's what I want. So here is the seam. You almost don't see it. So hopefully I made things clear on how to change color and how to close the rounds and start the rounds. Thanks for watching.